Fundamentals of security for Configuration Manager, Windows OS and network security. The first layer is provided by Windows security features for both the OS and the network. This layer includes the following components: file sharing to transfer files between Configuration Manager components, access control lists (ACLs) to help secure files and registry keys, Internet Protocol Security (IPsec) to help secure communications, Group Policy to set security policy, Distributed Component Object Model (DCOM) permissions for distributed applications, like the Configuration Manager console, Active Directory domain services to store security principles, Windows Account Security, Network Infrastructure. Network security components, like firewalls and intrusion detection, help provide defense for the whole environment. Certificates issued by industry standard public key infrastructure (PKI) implementations help provide authentication, signing, and encryption. SMS provider. The next layer of security is based on access to the SMS provider. The SMS provider is a Configuration Manager component that grants a user access to query the site database for information. Site database permissions. The final layer of security is based on permissions to objects in the site database. By default, the local system account and the user account that you use to install Configuration Manager can administer all objects in the site database. Grant and restrict permissions to other administrative users in the Configuration Manager console by using role-based administration. Fundamentals of role-based administration for Configuration Manager. With Configuration Manager, you use role-based administration to secure the access that administrative users need to use Configuration Manager. You also secure access to the objects that you manage, like collections, deployments, and sites. The role-based administration model centrally defines and manages hierarchy with security access. This model is for all sites and site settings by using the following items. Security roles are assigned to administrative users to give them permission to Configuration Manager objects. For example, permission to create or change client settings. Security scopes are used to group specific instances of objects that an administrative user is responsible to manage. For example, an application that installs the Configuration Manager console. Collections are used to specify groups of users and devices that the administrative user can manage in Configuration Manager.